Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin. Welcome to 5638 Nature Trail Drive. This ranch over walkout has 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths. Let's go take a look. This vaulted ranch over walkout has beautiful hardwood floors and a split bedroom plan. Entertaining continues from the great room to the covered porch, plus a sun deck with views of the 1 acre. I love this open kitchen with a see-through fireplace, and there are ADA features in this beautiful custom kitchen. 4 total bedrooms on the main level, beautiful hardwood floors, and a nice shared bath between 2 secondary bedrooms. The primary bedroom has access to the sun deck, plus views of the mature trees, the hardwoods continue, and the bath is wonderfully outfitted with an open shower that has ADA features and easy access throughout. The lower level is finished and it's immense. There's another bedroom suite, there's a kitchenette, media space, plus a covered patio. Thanks for touring this 5-bedroom, 4-bath home on 1 acre. I'm Jeff Franklin. Call me for your personal tour.